Hello, fourth graders, and welcome to Unit 8, Session 1.6, Introducing Windows and Towers. I'd like for you to go ahead and get some connecting cubes. So go ahead and grab you about 10 or 12 connecting cubes. Okay, we're going to start out with this first cube. Now this first cube, we're going to call it a single tower, okay? It is one floor high. When you think about a tower and you think about the different floors, the different levels, this tower is one floor high. Each side of this tower has a window. This is a window, this is a window, this is a window, and this is a window. And there is also a skylight on the top. Now it has 5 windows total because we count the skylight as a window. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our skylight makes 5 windows. So here's our single tower, and this is one floor. Now I want you to add another cube. As we add another cube, how many floors do we have now? If you said 2 floors, that is correct. Now, how many total windows are on this tower? Now remember, we have 2 floors, and these stand for windows, and also our skylight stands for a window. So how many total windows do we have? Okay. Well, since the face of each cube has 1 window, and there are 4 windows facing out on each of the floors, and 1 skylight at the top, there are 9 windows total. Let's count just to make sure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and don't forget the skylight, and that makes 9. Let's add another cube. Let's add another level to our single tower. Now, how many skylights are there when there are 3 floors? Remember, this is a skylight. How many skylights are there now since we have 3 floors? Does this change as we add more and more floors? If you said that we have 1 skylight, then that is correct. And the 1 skylight does not change even though we're adding more and more floors. So let's take a look at this table. Let's fill it in about our single tower. All right, so when we had 1 floor, how many windows did we say that we had? Remember, a skylight is a window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 windows. When we had 2 floors, how many total windows did we say that we had? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. What about with 3 floors? If you said 13, that is correct. What about if we add another one? We've got 4 floors. Remember, a cube has 4 sides. So how many windows do we have for 4 floors? Some of you may be catching on to the pattern that we are starting to see. And for 4 floors, we have 17 windows. What about 5 floors? If you said 21 windows, that is correct. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to continue to make 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 floors, and fill out on a piece of paper how many windows there were for the 6th floor, 7 floors, 8, 9, and 10. And after you finish writing it down, go ahead and press play. All right, let's go back and look at what you wrote down for 6 floors. If you wrote 25 windows, that is correct. And 7 floors, that would be 29 windows. What about 8 floors? 8 floors would be 33 windows. And 9 floors, that would be 37 windows. And finally, 10 floors on our single tower. That would be 41 windows. Now remember, this was called a single tower. Let's now look at another tower that we're going to call our double tower. Let's get some more cubes. And we're now going to make a double tower. Okay, here we go. Here is our double tower. Okay, we see that there is 1 tower, 2 towers. We still have our windows, and we still have our skylights. Now, how many total windows do we have on this 1 floor of our double tower? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back, 5, 6, and then our skylights, 7, 8. That makes it a total of 8 windows on the 1st floor. What if we were to add another level to our double tower? How many windows would we have now? Well, you may have very quickly just said, well, we have 14 windows because I counted every window and I counted the skylights. Some of you may have said, well, I know it's 14 because there are 6 windows on each floor and there are 2 skylights, and so then there are 2 floors. And so 6 times 2 equals 12, and 12 plus 2 gives me 14 windows. And if you want to double check, we can count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the front. So we know that there are 4 on the back. We know that on the sides there's 1, 2 here and 1, 2 here. So 2 plus 2. And then how many total skylights do we have? 1, 2. And when we add that up, we get 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. And 8 plus 6 equals 14. All right, that is all for now, but 4th graders, I will see you again soon.